Okay, magbubukas tayo neto. Uy, katalapin. Magbubukas tayo neto. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Ay, naku, ulit yung video. Ulitin yung video.
Hayaan mo na, ayaw mo sila. Di ba nga?
Wow.
Isa, ano na baling ko siya, no? 1, 2, 3.
Wow, ang ganda naman ng squishy nila. The squishy is so beautiful that is not even important to the rats.
Hey, stop that.
That's it.
I'm saying to the viewers.
Even the viewers are kidding.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Guys, don't.
I think you shouldn't listen to me. But if when you're an adult, you should listen to me now.
No, don't listen to him.
Listen to me when you're adult,
No,
okay?
don't listen to him.
You don't need this when you're an adult. But you
You
need
need
this.
this when you're adult. You're gonna go like this.
No, you need this when you are a kid because this is what
No,
you
this is
like.
for
But when you're adult,
No, this is for stress.
okay.
Mine!
But
Throw it on.
if you're an adult now, do not buy this. This wastes your
You
time.
want this? Okay, gonna do this.
And
You need to end it.
and Kin and Yona out.